Empathy can be broadly defined as the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. This sophisticated emotional bridge has long been considered a trait primarily associated with humans. However, contemporary research indicates that many animals may also exhibit empathetic behaviors, not only with members of their own species, but also across species lines. Firstly, let's discuss intraspecies empathy, where animals respond to the emotional states of their conspecifics. Primates, especially those closest to humans genetically, like chimpanzees and bonobos, have shown clear signs of empathetic behavior. They comfort distressed individuals by grooming or embracing them, suggesting an understanding and response to another's distress. Beyond primates, elephants are renowned for their compassion and protective nature toward their herd members, often seen mourning their dead by gently touching their bones or remains. Similarly, in the avian world, certain species, such as ravens and crows, have demonstrated the ability to interpret and respond to the social cues of their peers. In controlled experiments, these birds have been seen to change their behavior in the presence of a conspecific that is displaying signs of stress, indicating a possible empathetic response. Turning to the phenomenon of interspecies empathy, there are numerous anecdotal accounts and scientifically observed instances where animals show what could be interpreted as empathy toward members of other species. For instance, dolphins have occasionally been seen supporting sick or injured dolphins and non-dolphins, such as helping ailing humans to the water's surface. Dogs, as well, are often noted for their ability to attune to the emotional states of humans, providing comfort and companionship to distressed individuals. A particularly striking example comes from domestic animals, such as dogs and cats, that live in close proximity to humans. Research suggests that these animals can pick up on human emotions, often altering their behaviors to provide comfort during sad or trying times. Cats have been reported to purr and snuggle with owners, experiencing emotional distress, potentially creating a calming effect. Moreover, caretaking behaviors are not reserved for the domesticated. There have been occurrences where predators have adopted prey species, providing care instead of harm. An instance that gained significant attention involved a lioness that adopted a young antelope, defending it against other predators. The mechanisms behind such empathetic behaviors are still subject to scientific scrutiny. Some suggest that mirror neurons, which fire both when an animal acts and when the animal observes the same action performed by another, might play a role in understanding the emotional states of others. Whether animals have an understanding of empathy akin to humans remains uncertain, but it is clear that they can exhibit behaviors that would suggest some form of emotional resonance. To solidify the claim of animal empathy, more empirical research and study are needed. Many observations are open to interpretation, and it can be challenging to objectively measure empathy in non-human species. Cognitive ethologists continue to examine these phenomena, employing a combination of behavioral studies, neuroimaging, and physiological measures to discern the underlying processes of empathy in animals. In summary, ample evidence exists pointing toward the existence of empathy in the animal kingdom, not only among conspecifics, but also across species boundaries. This capacity for emotional understanding and response enhances the social bonds that are so crucial for the survival and well-being of many species, including our own. As the field of animal cognition progresses, we may continue to uncover the profound ways in which animals experience and interpret the world around them.